don't birds have teeth?
Hi, this is Barney. Isn't he a wonderful, beautiful bird? Have you ever wondered why birds don't have teeth?
Actually, they once did. Millions of years ago, a new fossil discovery of an early bird called
Salcatus georum
was discovered in China last year.
When most birds were losing their teeth, others, like Salcatus georum, were developing new kinds of teeth.
Before we go any further, did that fossil remind you of anything?
Now, Salcatus georum might have had teeth, but bones are heavy, and birds had to adapt to fly away from predators. See what I mean?
So over time, birds lost the bone structure needed for chewing.
Even though this is a human skull, you can see that the jawbone supports the teeth. It's pretty heavy compared to a beak.
Okay, we know that birds once had teeth but don't now. So how do they absorb their food?
That's a good question. We humans usually use our teeth to break down our food. It mixes up with the saliva to break it down even more.
Our model will help me demonstrate what happens in birds. Food passes down through the esophagus into the crop. That's where food is stored. From there, it moves into the gizzard. Here's what the real gizzard looks like. The gizzard does a really important job. It sure does. The gizzard crushes up food so it can be absorbed by the body. So really, the gizzard does the same job as teeth. Yeah, that's right.
The gizzard also has gravel, which helps grind up the food.
That's really important, especially for birds who don't remove the hull from the seeds.
Very true. Remember, next time you see a bird eating gravel, remember they really are pretty smart. So that's why birds don't have teeth.